Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your liked videos public, or for instance, if your liked videos are public, how to make them private. You are just going to go to your profile, so hit that profile button. Click on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. You are then going to press Settings and Privacy. And then you are going to go to Privacy under Account. You are then going to go and scroll down until you find the Safety tab. Go and press Liked Videos. And if you want to make the liked videos public, press Everyone. And if you want to make it private, press Only Me. If it is private, let's just go back and see. As you can see, there is a sort of like eye with a cross next to the heart shape. But if it is public, so let's just do that now. If it is public, you won't see that like shape next to the heart icon. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!